Are you tired of spending hours searching for products in your warehouse or in your trucks? Let me introduce you to Wolseley product labels. Scan and order with ease. With these labels, you can easily scan the items you want to order and place your order quickly. It's a simple solution with big benefits. Let's explore further. Once you have signed on to your Wolseley Express account, select from the My Wolseley drop-down menu, My Lists. Next, select your list from either My Lists or Express Lists. Once you have selected the list you want to create labels for, click the Print Labels tab and select your preferred label size from the drop-down menu. This will generate a PDF with all the barcodes. Save or print the labels directly from the PDF. Make sure you have your labels loaded correctly in your label printer. Once your labels are printed and available either in your warehouse, trucks, or in a binder, download the Wolseley Express Scanner app available on Android and iOS devices. Now you are ready to scan products from the labels you printed. From the Barcode Scanner app, scan the barcode of the desired product. Once scanned, it will display a few options to choose from. You can choose to view product information. You can add the product to an existing list or a new list. Or, add to the product to your shopping cart. Products added to the cart will automatically update the shopping cart, streamlining the shopping experience. Once you have scanned and added the desired products to your shopping cart, the final step is to proceed with the checkout process. Need support? Visit our Wolseley Express How to Use Guides section, or click on the Send Feedback link. You can email us at support@wolseleyexpress.com or call our customer service team at 1-888-290-6318 or use the contact form to reach us. For all account questions, please email us at credit@wolseleyexpress.com for further assistance.